Here it is. The long-awaited apartment tour that I've been promising. I'm probably gonna lose my apartment, so can't film it a month from now if I'm getting evicted. But I figured I can't dox myself if I don't live here anymore, so I might as well do it now, and I'm super excited. A lot of my stuff I got from Amazon. This, for example, I don't want to spoil anything. I will put y'all on. I'll put links in the description. I did get it like at the beginning of last year, so if it's not available anymore, that's on me, but if it's still available, I will definitely put it in the description.
Let's get to it.
Probably gonna sin again. Lord forgive me. Lord forgive me. Things I don't understand. Sometimes I need to be alone. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. I can feel your energy from. I can feel your energy from. I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my 2 planets away. I got my 2 planets away. I will share it, but today I'm yelling, bitch don't kill my vibe, 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 bitch don't kill my vibe.
Start with a little overview. There's Sergey just modeling for us there. I thought I would do a voiceover, but we just need to do it on the spot. This is like when you come straight in the door. I had like my books, like spirituality, and like, I don't know, there's a lot of good stuff here. My tarot cards, my crystals and everything. But it just, at this point, just feels very bland. And then I have my son's favorite sweatshirt. He's sitting over there. It used to be really cutely decorated for Christmas, but I'm over the Christmas decorations, so I took everything down. And then you come into the living room. This is like coming straight through. Don't judge me. Like, do I have the most massive TV that I don't need, that doesn't really fit the space? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's huge. It's fucking massive. There's no need for a TV this big in this small of a space. I don't even think it shows like how massive it is. It's like obnoxious, but it's great. Like playing video games on this. Wow, really good game, really awesome game. Oh, but yeah, then we have the living room. Oh my gosh, I'm doing a terrible job. Let me put my cup down and really get focused here. I got this couch, of course, from IKEA. These pillows I've collected like over the years. Love this couch. The reason I got it is because oh my god, I'm gonna be out of breath after this. It is a pull-out sleeper and whatnot. Oh, okay. Hi. Don't get stuck and embarrass me. And it also has a bunch of storage. I'm not gonna open that actually because it was hard to close it because I stuffed it. But this has like a hell of a lot of storage. And that's the key here, you guys. If you have a studio apartment, you need storage. That's important. I do have these gorgeous boucle. It came in a set of 2. I feel like it fits in there kind of nicely. They're small enough and they rotate. Let me do a little demonstration. They do rotate. Okay, well that one's against the wall and I don't want to scare it. Okay. But yes, they rotate. They're very comfortable. I usually have a snake plant here to hide this horrible eyesore, but I am cat sitting at the moment. So I was afraid that he would eat it and die, and I don't want that on my conscience. Absolutely obsessed with this guy. He came from Amazon. This came from, I think, the at-home store. My style is very masculine, dark, moody, with a touch of like femininity. Okay, just walking to the lamp. Moving on, we have our little bar set up. Yeah, that's really all you have to know. I used to have a bunch of alcohol in here, but I try not to keep alcohol in the house because I am mentally unstable. So we just try not to cause any meltdowns. Oh, what am I? Oh my gosh, you silly girl. I forgot to show you the best part of this. More. It's not that difficult, but with one hand. But yes, lots of stories. Oh my god, she's so sneaky. Also, I have these gorgeous LED lights. They were like, on Amazon, they're like $6. I'll link that below, obviously. It responds to like sound and music and everything. Then we have our little bedroom or whatever. I love. This is the start of the motherfucker. I love my vanity. Just so gorgeous. Like, are you kidding me? She's gorgeous. The stool came separately. The bottom of the bed is like a dark gray, like a charcoal, and so is my couch, which matches the stool, which matches the bed. Okay, we're coordinating. Okay, you hear me? Great. So this is my cute ass vanity. Gorgeous. Like, oh, it's just so luxurious. It's giving luxury. Of course, it has more storage inside. Like, this whole mirror part is storage. Just fully advertising this damn mirror. But yeah, it has 3 different settings. I have it dimmed right now on this one because I just like how it looks. And then the other star of the show, as you can see, I love lighting. I was a flight attendant for a while, and I got accustomed to living in hotels. So that's the vibe I'm trying to give. These lights, like, they're touch activated. It was so easy to install. You just install the bar, and then this is like a strap. It's like Velcro or whatever. And it's cute. And also, it has built-in USB. It just looks so expensive, and it's not. It's not. I am a fraud, and you can be one too. There's nothing wrong with saving a little money. I forgot to even include the fact that my bed has storage. This guy, I'm not gonna pull it out because Freddie is under there currently taking a nap. This is all storage. I'll bring this one out because I don't think he's in this area. But this is all storage. I did take my things out of here for the time being. That storage, there's another one on the other side, and then from here to here, it's like a whole roll out like storage-y thing, and it's like, it's wonderful. Anyway, that's also from Amazon, and I will link that, but super important to have storage. Okay, now we're moving on to the what the hell is this? Dining room, kitchen. Oh, okay, I'm gonna blow the candles out because Sugar got real close to them and that made me real nervous. This is my cute little dining room setup. It is a full table in a studio, a full ass table. I didn't think I'd be able to fit a full one in here. It seats 6 people, including the bench that I made like the end of my bed bench, which is, you know, she's a clever girl. These are, of course, from the dollar store. These were picked off the floor. My mom put together this whole setup because she is just splendid. I did get this because I ruined my table. Matter of fact, can I show you? Can I show you what I did to my freaking table? Okay, you're not gonna be able to see it. Just take my word for it. I was doing my nails and spilled a bunch of acetone on the table. It's like a painted on wood design, and I ruined it by spilling acetone on it. So I have this guy, and it's cute and it's waterproof, so it's really good. Anyways, moving on. Here is my kitchen. Actually, let me back up. Let me give y'all like the real, like let me back up all the way. Gorgeous. Hold on, let me put the lights on. Like, y'all need to see this beach because I love a good kitchen. Like, girl, she is a kitchen. It's a little cluttered right now. I don't like to have this much stuff on my counter space, but I mean, what can I say? Like, it is what it is at this point. Really not much to say. I still have some of my fall decorations up. I don't know, like, do y'all want to see any of this? Oh, this guy. I love this. It's just like, are you kidding me right now? Tell me that's not the cutest thing you've ever seen. And it's just throw some towels in there and just call it a day. I have one in my bathroom as well, which you will see, but it's cute. It just adds like an element of just luxury. Moving on. Yeah, that's all you have to see about the kitchen. I don't know. Wait, what am I doing? I didn't even show you guys. Can you see it if it's dark like this? Is this not the cutest? Like, I got this from the dollar store. These are my favorite glasses, Miss Lala. Oh shit. She got me those. I used to have a clock up there, but I I changed it to go over there. So, whatever. And there's Mr. Freddy being just so handsome. Okay, let's go to the bathroom. Baby, y'all. Okay, another like... Ooh, I have the cat food in here because Sergey was trying to steal it. Oh, that's why you're out. Oh my gosh. He's like, girl, if you don't bring my damn food in here. I'm so sorry, Freddy. Here you are. Oh my gosh, he's probably so irritated, but I had it in here because Sergey just kept trying to eat it and he just got done being sick and I'm just not in the mood to like, there you go, sweetheart. Okay, moving on. Now, this is the bathroom. I'm such a slut for a nice bathroom. This is hideous. I understand, I mean, it's cute, but the only reason it's there is because I decided I was gonna use command strips to hang that clock right there. I decided to put command strips on it and it fell, which created this, like these marks on the wall. So I had to put this guy there and now I have this here because I'm not even gonna take it down. Just please, just give me grace, okay? I understand it looks horrendous. It's much better than having peeled off paint. Like, just, okay. Anyway, so I'm not gonna show myself. Oops, no pants. Here's my little bathroom, my little sink set up. I used to have live plants in here, but it just was not happening. This is not my fault. It came like that. I don't even know what that is, honestly. I wonder if it's like mold or water spots. I'm actually just not sure. I have a guest pantry. I made this sign myself. I have everything you'll ever need. This also, very cute. If you have an Airbnb, I think this would be a better idea, but toothbrush. It comes with like little individual toothbrushes and toothpaste. Are you dumb? So cute. But yeah, I thought it would come into, you know, more use, but that is okay. I just sometimes I'm a little antisocial. Anyways, here's, I mean, there's really not much to say. This is a cute little, like I said, I was living in hotels for a little bit, so I like to have a nice little setup. Sorry, what are you doing? Stay away from his butthole. I did have white paper towels for a while. It looked so much nicer in here, but I mean, I only have the recycled ones right now. So if that's bothering you, it's bothering me too. But yeah, and this is a little plant. It used to be so healthy, but I don't know what to do with it. Like, it does not. Oh, yeah, I really didn't know what to do. But he's cute. Like, he's still doing what he's doing. So that's the end of the little video of all. There's really nothing. I mean, it's a studio apartment. What can you really expect? Thanks so much for watching. By the time you see this, I will be homeless on the streets. I'm just kidding. Anyway, I gotta go. All right, y'all. Bye. Gotta go. Nope. Out of here. See you later. Nope. Really, just so really not gonna do this right now. So not gonna do this. Okay. How do I pause the game? Okay. So, thank you so much for watching. This is where I'm gonna end it.